Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Things.com, and in today's video I want to welcome our new Thinkster freelance student Len. So welcome Len to the freelancer course. Great to have you on board. Appreciate you joining the freelancing course. I think you made a great decision. So let me quickly switch the camera so that I can personally welcome you. So I think you made a great decision, and I think freelancing is such a great opportunity these days. And yeah, in these welcome videos I want to give you some tips and tricks that you can use, or actually niches that are interesting in Python and beyond, like programming, freelancing, blockchain development, and so on. So in today's video I thought, okay, we keep it simple. I just searched for Python with one filter blind, only filtering out the top freelancers. And this was my son, by the way. And yeah, actually going over the top 10 freelancers, showing what they are doing. Okay, so here's the first one. Right away, he makes $70 per hour. Michael, 30K already earned 100% job success score and earned 30K on the platform. And actually he focuses on web development and PHP development. So he combines those two skill sets and positioned himself in this particular micro niche, right? And for some people, these may be the two skills they actually search, Python, PHP, right? So he's a perfect guy for those people. He's not perfect for everybody, right? I mean, you as a freelancer, you don't need to adhere to anybody's wishes. You should position yourself and find your dream niche. Here we have Leonardo's making $70 per hour, 100% job success score, top-rated freelancer. So you see all those freelancers are top-rated with high job success score. In the freelancer course, I will actually show you how to become top-rated, how you reach a high job success score, and what you should do exactly. So Leonardo's focuses on scientific computing. Here we have Radoslav. He just focuses on basic Python software development, pretty general. Then we have a cloud engineer. This is also interesting. He focuses on AWS. I recently made a video, another welcome video for another freelancer student, where I showed how interesting it could be to focus on the whole cloud space. So you see he makes premium hourly rates, $125 per hour, helping businesses set up their cloud infrastructures. Because businesses, they spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on their own cloud systems, right? So they would gladly pay freelancers an hourly rate of $125 if they can create value for them, if they can help them, for example, save some money and become more efficient, right? Next, we have Ahmed. He makes $99.99, so almost $100, focuses on web scraping. We have a full course on web scraping on Thinkster Computer Science Academy. The course is free for you, Len, as a Thinkster freelancer student, so you can check out all courses for free on the Thinkster Computer Science Academy. And we have courses on web scraping, and web scraping is one of the basic things I would say a freelancer does on Upwork. Python freelancer, I should say. Again, we have a cloud architect, solution architect. He focuses on like finding different solutions for clients. He's from Ukraine, making $65 per hour. Full stack developer, again in the web space. Then we have a Python developer, again full stack developer. So you see the web space is one broad niche complex that actually where you can find many micro niches in. Then we have data science. Data science is another such broad meta skill set where you can find myriads, so thousands of different niches where you can position yourself and become the expert in this micro niche. For example, here we have data warehousing in Python. So this combination of three words is probably very not very frequent on Upwork. So if somebody searches for a data warehouse Python, then this freelancer Noor will pop up. Next we have Tal. He focuses on Python and Excel, right? So then another positioning would be, for example, Python and Pandas, something like this. So we have many Pandas courses as well on Thinkster. So you can check out the Thinkster Computer Science Academy and also the Thinkster email course and the Thinkster blog for more Excel content, if you have finished the basic Python skills taught in the course itself. Okay, so anyway, so these are like 10 freelancers, and you can see they position themselves very specifically, and these are some of the top freelancers, right, in the space. So we have like here, for example, this one, Jeff, making $125 per hour. Okay, so anyways, I think opportunities are plentiful. You can simply check out the course and follow the instructions in the course to become more successful and to actually set up and build your own freelancing business. If you have any questions, then check out the mastermind group itself. I check it out once per week, where we share goals and share successes and failures, and yeah, it's just a fun experience to have the community support each other to reach higher levels of success. Anyways, thanks then for joining the course, and see you in the course. Bye.